There are two ways to view the GPS. The online flipbook, accessed by clicking Access the GPS online, and a printable PDF, which is ideal if you want hard copies of specific pages. Let's look at the online flipbook first. When you click Access the GPS online, you can navigate using the arrows on each side of the flipbook or the scroll bar at the bottom. To increase the font size, use the magnification bar. To reposition the page, hold down both mouse buttons and drag, similar to using two fingers on your phone. The table of contents is on page 6, and from there you'll find resources across several key areas, including Center for Brain Health programs, checklists to help you get started, action list with step-by-step guidance, young age onset resources for those diagnosed before the age of 65, medical and professional supports, brain health and dementia basics, activities, respite, and care partner resources, additional tools for Spanish speakers, hearing support, and non-Alzheimer's dementias, and a full list of helpful numbers. Let's go back to the checklists. You'll see two, one for any type of dementia and one for young age onset. The young age onset checklist includes additional considerations like employment issues and Social Security disability through compassionate allowance. Anything shown in blue is a hyperlink that gives you more information. To return to the checklist, click Return to Table of Contents and reselect the checklist you need. If you would like to download the GPS, we have a printable PDF version. The information in the flipbook and the printable PDF is the same. We've simply provided different formats so you can choose what works best for you. In the PDF view, the page thumbnails on the left match the page numbers in the full GPS document. Just like the flipbook, there are blue hyperlinks on each page that help get you to the information you need without having to scroll. You can return to the table of contents anytime by clicking the option at the bottom of the page. From this view, you can also download the entire document, or you can print all or part of it using the printer icon. Before printing, keep in mind the whole GPS is 132 pages. You might want to start with printing only the checklist that fits your needs. Since we make periodic updates, the online versions will always be the most current, so be sure to check back regularly. Finally, we would welcome your help in sharing this resource with professionals and families. A flyer is available on page 130 that you can print off and share with others, including your doctors. Thank you for using our resource and helping others get connected.